Hi. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to apply your press-on nails so that they last long AF, at least 2 weeks wear. At least I get 2 weeks wear. Now, when you get your Jazzie Nailz, you get an application kit, and the application kit comes with everything you need to be fly right out the box. Okay, you got a nail file, an orange wood stick, an alcohol wipe, and glue. So you also get this lovely application guide, and I'm dropping shit. You get an application guide that's going to take you step by step on everything that I'm doing, and yours isn't going to be fucked up like mine, so just ignore that. But yeah, you get an application kit and an application guide. So the first thing I'm going to do is push back my cuticles. Now, if you bout it, then go ahead and give yourself a full-on manicure. Trim them cuticles if you need to, boo. Go ahead and get your nail nice and clean. Push back them cuticles. Trim them if you have to. And then you're going to file the free edge. So, you know, here I am all off camera. And now I'm going to file the free edge. What little free edge I do have. I'm just going to make the nail look nice and neat. And I'm left-handed, y'all. So I'm putting the nails on my left hand and I'm using my right hand. A little trick, if you are using your non-dominant hand, if you see that I'm moving my dominant hand instead of the hand, like my right hand, I'm moving my dominant hand around, because if I did it with my right hand, it would just be worse. It would just be a struggle. So yeah, I hope that made sense. And now I'm going to take the alcohol wipe and get off all the debris. You know, all that, look at all that dust on my hand. You don't want dust underneath your press-ons. Go ahead and clean that. And now I'm going to, okay, I thought I was going to struggle. So now I'm going to take the nail. I usually start from the thumb and then go to the pinky. I don't know why. You do it however you want to do it. But you're just going to take your glue and put in enough to cover, just like y'all see, I didn't put a whole slab on there and I didn't put a little dab on there. I put enough glue on there to, you know, put a nail on. I don't know how to explain it. But don't put too much, don't put too little. And then you're just going to hold it down, press it down, make sure you get all those air bubbles out. I hold it down for at least 10 seconds. Yeah, still holding. I think it's been longer than 10 seconds. And you see how good my glue is? My shit is stuck. Okay, there we go. So we're just going to repeat that process with all of these nails. I'm not sure I prepped my nails. Yeah, I didn't prep the rest of my nails, but this was just for picture purposes. I wanted to take these off. I just wanted to show y'all one time how to properly apply them. And then I'm putting the rest on so I could take pictures and do all kinds of extra shit. And then I'm going to pop them off at the end of the day. But you get the point. What I'm saying is, prep your nails correctly and your nails will last just as long, if not longer, than going to a reputable nail salon and getting acrylics put on. And I say reputable because some people, you get your nails done and the shit pop off like a day later and they be trying to blame you. Oh, you got oily hair. No, bitch. You don't know what you doing. I digress. Anyway, y'all see, so just see how much glue I'm putting on there. I am not stingy with the glue, but I'm not overdoing it either. So if that makes sense. And I don't even know how I'm pushing the nail on, but yeah, I'm starting to feel myself. You know when you get your nails done and you got to do everything with your hands? Yeah, baby, I was starting to feel it. Ooh, I'm ready. I'm ready to point my fingers. I'm ready to click-clack on my keyboard. Oh, yeah, I was feeling it. And then make sure that you're putting your nails on straight. Okay, you don't want to have no crooked nails. Now, look how much glue I use, y'all. I finally got it in focus. See, it's not even that serious. It's not even that serious. It's not that hard to be a fly-ass Jazzie baddie, okay? I'm coining it now, Jazzie baddies. quick, fast. You get to feeling yourself midway through. I could not wait. I could not wait. These have to be one of my favorite nails that I've made for myself. I love them. I love them. All right, last one. Last little pinky. Oh my gosh, I'm ready. I'm ready. Bad bitch loading. Bad bitch loading. Look at that bling though. Oh my gosh. Oh, let me see. Let us see. Bitch, show me the nails. What? Boom, boing, bing, bing, bang, bang, bang. Bang, 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 bing, bing. Shit. Yeah. Yeah. So, you know, these are the official Jazzie Nailz signature set. Because it's for a badass bitch. Just, And these things are going to stay on. They would stay on longer if I applied them right. And then when you're done applying your nails, get you some Jazzie Nailz cuticle oil. It smells delicious. It has rose petals in there and gold flakes. Just luxury. Just luxury. You know, just put that on your nails so you ain't dry and shit. You can't have badass nails and then dry cuticles. Okay? Come on now. So yeah, you know, you put the cuticle oil on there, finish it up, rub it in, and there you go. There you go. This took like, it probably took me more than 10 minutes because I was recording and doing all this extra shit, but it don't take long to be a jazzy baddie now, girl. What are you waiting for? We're done. Look, check the nails again. I was too excited. Ooh. So I'm in love. And here's a video of the nails. And you can get these on my website. You can get all the bling that I used on my website as well. Go ahead and check me out, boo. And use this discount code so you can save. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.